Planet has more blue in it than green. The oceans are where all life on Earth comes from. The glory of the seas is undisputed, and for centuries, our civilization has thrived thanks to it. The shores are where the sea shows off the rich and diversified ecosystem that dwells within it. Thousands of species of marine plants and animals show up on the shores of Mumbai throughout the year, some of which are rare and eccentric. In 2009, Mr. Pradip Patade left his job at a reputed Indian media firm to venture the shores of Mumbai and document the beautiful wildlife that dwells there.
So I started wildlife photography in 2009. I used to teach water sports at Girgaon Chowpatty at Asia. Visited lots of places around India for survey of water sports possibilities and stuff. In 2013, at the time of Ganesh Visarjan, around 70 devotees got stung by stingray. Stingray, it's a fish, has a barb in his tail. So that barb is very venomous. So they admitted in hospital because nobody was aware about first aid, and basically hardly anybody knows about marine life. They don't consider marine life as wildlife. And they were kept in hospital under observation for one day. That time I decided, earlier I used to photograph like birds, butterflies, mammals, insects. From 2013, after that incident, I decided now let's start marine life. And that's how I started documenting marine life. Earlier also, I used to document some marine life like stranded turtles or beautiful looking fish as a bycatch, sometimes snakes. But now, from 2013 onwards, I normally don't go in parks and forests. I always visit shores and try to document marine life. So recently, around 350 plus species we have documented from marine life. And earlier I used to post all my pictures on my Facebook page. Then lots of friends requested, tell us about these animals and stuff. Since I'm not a marine biologist, it was very difficult to give information. So I used to Google and used to write something about that animal and my experiences. Where did I found? What is the size? What's the local name and stuff? Those details I started posting. Then some of my friends told me, there are Facebook groups like Indian birds, Indian butterflies, insects, fungi. There is no dedicated group on marine life. Why don't you start a dedicated page for the marine life? Again, was difficult because alone I can't do so many things, work and then social media and stuff. I met Abhishek Jamalabad. Basically, he's a marine biologist and a scuba diver. He had come for a small walk at Girgaon Chowpatty and I met him. And then, told him, if you join us, if you help me in giving information and stuff, then we can start a group, Marine Life of Mumbai, on Facebook page.
Mr. Siddharth Chakravarty, one of the three co-founders of Marine Life of Mumbai, is the first and only Indian captain working with Sea Shepherd Global, a direct action ocean conservation organization. He quit his job in the Merchant Navy to fight crime in the oceans and has successfully done so over the past decade. A few years ago, Siddharth captained MY Sam Simons, a vessel under Sea Shepherd Global, and chased FV Thunder, an outlaw fishing vessel part of the infamous Bandit 6. Alongside his team, Siddharth chased the outlaw vessel for 110 days until the vessel was sunk suspiciously. Siddharth currently works on the field doing individual research.
Then we decided let's involve public, general public also. So we started taking shore walks for the public. We started shore walk from Girgaon Chowpatty. This is my favorite place. And Girgaon Chowpatty on shore walk, we get to see sea anemones, some hermit crabs, some snails. If fisherman's boat is there, then bycatch and stuff. And people like that. Then we explored Haji Ali from there. Haji Ali, when we explored, we got to see corals there. And we amazed. Earlier, like from 2013 to 2017, I visited so many places. And I found around 4 species of corals from Bombay. My favorite place is Marine Drive. Just get down from the tetrapod, walk 400 meters, and you see heaven, like wonders, like beautiful looking zoanthids, corals, sea fans, very beautiful. But that place we don't keep it for public walk because it's risky and safety is very important. So Girgaon Chowpatty, then we started Haji Ali. Haji Ali is a rocky shore. Basically, we choose low tide days of a month, plan our calendar, whole year's calendar. On Saturday, Sunday, if good tides, then we keep public walk for the citizens. Slowly, our volunteers increase. Like from 3 to we are now around 15 plus volunteers we have. They are from different fields. Like some is web designer, some is content writer, some is scientist, some is researcher. So our team is big now, and that's what marine life become a bigger and bigger. Rocks, you can see white spots. These are gastropod eggs, and this is a live sea snail called Nerita, which is abundant here. That's what you can see that eggs on the again different shell. You get to see so many different types of shells, and so earlier Girgaon used to have a Koliwada in the center, लेकिन उनका कुछ लीगल ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो दे कलेक्टर शिफ्टेड देम हियर, और यहाँ पे भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो उनको 6 महीना पहले निकाल.
We are all sons and daughters of the sea. Let us come together and join our brethren at MLOM to venture the shores of the city in search of new and astonishing marine life forms. Mumbai's shores are filled with magical marine life. One only needs to look. Marine life of Mumbai, led by Mr. Pradip Patade, Mr. Abhishek Jamalabad, and Mr. Siddharth Chakravarty, are not only looking for intriguing marine wildlife, but are also wanting for people like you and I to go out to the beaches and have a look for ourselves. Some spend their lives at the shores, witnessing the majestic beauty of the waves for years. Some find themselves engrossed in the 1,000 different species of aquatic life forms spread across the world. Some protect our oceans from the ill treatment it has received from the beasts disguised as human beings.